Did you know that a generic cover letter can actually hurt your chances of landing a job? Personalizing your cover letter can make you stand out and show employers you're genuinely interested in the role. Aligning your cover letter with the job description is crucial. It demonstrates that you understand the role and are ready to contribute effectively. Let's explore how to craft a cover letter that truly resonates. A compelling cover letter has 3 key sections: introduction, body, and conclusion. Each part plays a vital role in showcasing your skills and experience effectively. Keywords are essential for passing applicant tracking systems. By including relevant terms, you increase your chances of getting noticed by hiring managers. Let's dive into how to use them strategically. A strong opening paragraph can capture attention immediately. For example, they'll highlight your enthusiasm for the role and any relevant experience that makes you a great fit. Showcasing achievements and skills effectively is key. Use specific examples to demonstrate your impact in previous roles. Conclude with enthusiasm and confidence to leave a lasting impression. Recap the importance of a tailored cover letter. It's your chance to make a strong first impression. Preparing for interviews and further steps is crucial for success. Start crafting your personalized cover letter with CV Maker today. By taking this step, you'll be well on your way to securing your dream job. Let's make it happen together.